Police Chief Andresol has called senior officers to an emergency meeting. Crime is surging, and Andresol feels they're losing control. A senior officer's wife has just been assassinated. A gang of escapees is kidnapping wealthy Haitians.
C'est un groupe nèg qui sont pénitentiaires réunis. Yo même c'est des policiers, des anciens policiers qui dans tête mouvement même si yo pas participé activement en entraînement dans kay moun yo, mais c'est planifié quoi parce que yo pensait yo connaît qui la police fonctionnait.
Another kidnap gang has adopted a disturbing tactic.
Avec bail, je dis nous connait la uniforme la police, deux sont velocité de la police. Vous va venir dîner la police et tout.
Andresol has been trying to root out rogue cops for years. But he also fears that corrupt politicians are in league with the resurgent gangs.
Honest people don't go into politics in Haiti. That's our great tragedy. To be in politics, you have to belong to a closed circle of men who think only of themselves and who at times can resort to killing.
Andresol knows this from experience. Before becoming police chief 5 years ago, he survived 2 assassination attempts organized by politicians linked to gangs and had to flee.
The system is organized like a gang.
Until last month, Ray Baisden headed the UN's intelligence center in Haiti.
There is not a natural divide between politics and gangsterism. They know that in order to succeed, they must depend upon each other. The politician knows that he needs that gangster to survive, that he needs that gangster to get elected, to stay elected, and to carry out his or her mandate.